Best deals.
1. Sponge Mop. Designed to simplify daily cleaning tasks effortlessly. This 3-in-1 mop offers mopping, wiping, and brushing solutions in a single tool. With easily replaceable sponge heads and an extendable handle, it's versatile and convenient. Suitable for all floor types, walls, glass, and bathroom surfaces, this mop is the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Microfiber Mop. Features 360-degree maneuverable swivel head, allows you mop around the stairs, furniture legs flexibly. Stainless steel adjustable handle can be extended and locked. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Spray Mop. Simplify your cleaning routine with a spray mop that allows you to dispense cleaning solution directly onto the tile surface. Durable and lightweight design with secondary grip, flexible rubber corners, and a retractable hook for easy storage. Cleaning pad which can be washed up to 500 times. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Toilet Brush. Made with thermoplastic rubber bristles that's tough on grime but gentle on ceramic surfaces. Ventilation holes in the holder allow air circulation for faster drying and to prevent odors. It's lightweight and strong that will last long. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Brush. Adjustable length for easy reach. Say goodbye to backaches and knee pain. With its adjustable iron pole, ranging from 50.8 inches to 65.3 inches, this 4-section rod push broom brush allows you to effortlessly clean all outdoor and indoor areas without straining your body. Adjust it to your preferred length and enjoy hassle-free cleaning. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Groove Cleaning Brush. Features a hard bristle brush and a hidden scraper, allowing you to easily remove accumulated dirt. The small groove dustpan design enhances efficiency and convenience by collecting the scraped dirt effectively. It can handle various cleaning tasks while delivering excellent cleaning results. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cleaning Brush Set. Made of high-quality PP material, stainless steel and iron, while threaded joints tighten the rods with firm locking. The padded handle provides a soft, non-slip and comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even when wet. When cleaning is done, you can hang your bathroom scrubber on the wall using the utility hook, keeping clutter to a minimum. Featuring a tough bristle brush head for deep cleaning tiles, floors, walls, toilets, and tubs, a gentle sponge head for delicate surfaces, and a soft microfiber pad for mirrors, glass, and sinks, our brush has got you covered. And with its detachable heads that are quick and easy to switch out, cleaning has never been more convenient. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Squeegee. Helps instantly dry floors with single swipe clean, has sharp rubber edge, ensures superior clean. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Spin Mop. Constructed from durable stainless steel, the mop is built to withstand daily use and provide long-lasting performance. Equipped with wheels and a sturdy handle, this floor cleaner mop offers easy maneuverability around your home or workspace. Bucket features a built-in water drainage spout for effortless disposal of dirty water, minimizing mess and simplifying maintenance after cleaning sessions. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Dustpan Set. Has special brush with split bristles which enables collecting fine dust particles. Leveler ensures that dustpan can adjust on any surface to collect dust. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Vacuum Cleaner. Comes with both wired and wireless options for its handheld vacuum cleaner. With powerful suction and long-lasting battery life, you can conveniently use it whenever and wherever you need. With the latest fast charge technology and advanced rechargeable batteries, this compact vacuum reaches a full charge in just 2.5 to 3 hours, delivering approximately 22 minutes of runtime. Actual runtime may vary based on the cleaning load. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Flat Mop. Effortlessly squeezes itself, making excess water a thing of the past. Experience the joy of hands-free squeezing, turning your cleaning routine into a delightful dance rather than a chore. This is versatile cleaning tool that combines the advantages of a water spray, squeezing and a flat mop. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. Spray as per your choice, clean as per your choice. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Dusters. Premium microfiber bristles, ultra-soft chenille microfiber traps dust and dirt effectively without scratching any surface, safe for car interiors, electronics, furniture, and more. Perfect for dusting cars, home furniture, window sills, electronics, and more. One brush, endless cleaning solutions. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cleaning brush. Featuring a built-in 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, this electric spin scrubber supports extended cleaning sessions lasting up to 160 minutes on a full charge. Spin scrubber incorporates a USB-C charging port, making it compatible with power banks, car chargers, or any USB power adapter. The LCD power indicator provides clear real-time updates on battery life, ensuring you are always prepared for your next cleaning task. Coming with multiple brush heads and scrubbing heads tailored for different tasks makes it perfect for tackling everything from delicate surfaces to stubborn dirt. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Duster. Effective cleans the cobweb, wall dust, windshield, high ceiling. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Fan cleaner. Made up of strong microfiber for efficient dirt removal. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Mini mop. Designed for fast and efficient cleaning in small spaces, the self-squeezing mechanism can easily remove moisture without the need for manual twisting. Adopts a handle and a super absorbent sponge head, provide optimal cleaning coverage in limited space while maintaining flexibility. The simple push-pull mechanism makes it effortless to wring out. Kitchen self-squeezing mini mop saves time and effort in daily cleaning. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Mop. Fits right in your hand, perfect for quick cleanups like table spills, countertops, cupboards, or daily messes. Has super absorbent and reusable microfiber mop pads. Efficient for both wet mopping and dry dusting. High quality PP materials that look great and stay durable. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Crevice cleaning brush. Made from premium materials, the Gap brush features ultra-fine pet bristles that are significantly harder, making it effortless to reach deep into cracks and clean small gaps. With this brush you can easily complete the cleaning work without spending too much effort. Brush is very suitable for cleaning various narrow and difficult to reach places. The corner brush cleaner removes dirt and grime from very narrow areas such as grouts and cooktops. Product link is given in the 19th link.